Hindi ah, pikin.
Ew! Nalalaki yung ilong.
Sila yun, ayaw. Hindi, tagal na ako makakabalik ulit. Dali, wag mo magkanada, wala pang tao sa banyo. Yani is hiding. Yani, bilis!
Picture!
Hindi siya picture!
Oh! Nakita na.
Ay, talag. Yun lang. Hindi na makita ni Tita Christine yung ipin mo. Dali.
Ew!
At saka yung, mo, yung dimples mo. Dali.
Ew! Yung pangit ko.
Oh, si Megan, oh. Pretty, oh.
Mukhang pat si Meg.
You look like Pat daw. Uy! Ayan. Uy! Nasipa mo si ate. Ayan.
Wala you, Meg.
Guess why did he get under?
Oh, Megan, get out.
Ew! Yeah.
That one has laway.
So I brought along a bottle of Coke to go with all her great
Ate
cooking.
Yanni's
One of the
pillow.
things, having dinner around here is a lot easier said than done. My uncle is busy drafting the leanest, meanest fantasy baseball squad ever. Great job,
Well,
Uncle.